Hello guys. Welcome to my channel. Here we are explaining about TP-Link Deco M4 configuration and reviews. Let's start with the reviews. TP-Link Deco M4 provides fast and stable connections with speeds of up to 1167 megabits per second. A Deco M4 one-pack delivers Wi-Fi to an area of up to 2,000 square feet. Parental controls limits online time and block inappropriate websites according to unique profiles created for each family member. As we say, the Deco M4 is the best choice for your home and office network. Setting up the TP-Link Deco M4 involves the following steps. Unboxing. It has 2 Deco M4 units, 2 power adapters, 1 Ethernet cable and quick installation guide. Deco mesh systems can only be set up via the Deco app, which is available on Android and iOS. To ensure a smooth setup process, please disable the power-saving mode on your smartphone. Open the Google Play or the App Store to download the Deco app. Install the Deco app on your Android or iOS smartphone or tablet. Create a TP-Link account or log in if you already have one. Choose one Deco unit to be the main unit. Connect it to your modem using the provided Ethernet cable. Power on the Deco unit. Launch the Deco app and follow these steps. Choose Deco M4 from the list. The app will guide you step by step. When prompted, connect your phone to the temporary Wi-Fi network broadcast by the Deco unit. Create a name and password for your new Wi-Fi network. The app will check your internet connectivity. If issues arise, ensure your modem is working. Well, that's all we have for you in this video. You can contact us for the better solution. Thanks for watching.